How to create an audio recording you can give away as an MP3. With time being ever so valuable, some people just don't have the time to sit down and read what they bought. Most people don't have time to sift through long emails or watch long videos. However, most people don't want to miss out on their favorite content. This is why it's so valuable if you can create an audio recording of your content. People will be able to listen to it on their way to work, school, in the gym, or in a variety of other places. In fact, there are plenty of people that prefer to listen because that's how they learn the best. There's also plenty of people that just don't like to read. That's why it's important to give your content various formats for each consumer. If you can do this, you'll capture the way each person absorbs content. Another benefit of creating an audio recording is that you can create it with a product you're selling. This makes it so that you can increase the value of your product and charge the highest price for it. So, how do you record your audio? The first thing you need to do is have a way of capturing the audio. You need to find a lavalier or lava mic that will capture quality sound. You'll be able to find these at Best Buy if you're in a larger area, or possibly even Walmart if you're in a rural area. You can then find various free software on the internet that will help you record your audio. Depending on your version of Windows, you might also have a program that will do it for you. However, there's no need to make things complicated. Just do a simple search for an MP3 audio recorder, or a search on YouTube that will show you how to easily use audio tools. There are also plenty of internet marketers that are offering solid paid options you can use. Whatever you do, recording audio is a great way to get your message across in a different format and is a great way to increase your product value.